Hey guys, it's me Bitsley and I am here to explain how a camera works and do megapixels really matter? When buying a camera or a smartphone with a camera, most people judge the camera quality by the amount of megapixels, thinking that more megapixels mean better quality. But what if I told you that is not true at all? Let's start with exactly how much a megapixel means. 1 megapixel is roughly around 1 million pixels. That means, for instance, this smartphone has a 16 megapixel camera. It will capture 16 million pixels. So yes, more megapixels mean more pixels, which is pretty simple to understand. But does this higher resolution affect the actual quality of the image? For this, take out your camera and take a photo with the highest megapixel selected. Then, take the same photo with the lowest selected. When you open the two photos, you won't see a single difference except the higher megapixel picture lets you zoom in more, but the amount of details are the same. Did you know that a full HD 1920 by 1080 display can show roughly around 2 million pixels? That means that anything above 2 megapixels on that screen is unnecessary. But why do we use more megapixels? Well, if you have, for instance, 4 megapixels, then a display that can let you see 2 megapixels at once will be able to zoom twice. That's all megapixels help for. They can let you zoom in more into the image. If you think of images as a box, megapixels would be the size of the box and the quality of the image would be the actual stuff inside the box. That's all megapixels does. Gives the device more pixel data to show and zoom. So what exactly affects the quality of the image? Well, the image sensor. The image sensor actually perceives the image, which is pretty self-explanatory. The better the image sensor, the better quality the camera can capture. Now, an image sensor has many aspects, like dynamic range, pixel density, and all of that, which I'm not gonna go into since it's all nerdy stuff and you guys have extremely short attention spans. But did you know that more megapixels can sometimes reduce image quality by adding more noise to the image and other stuff? But how? Let's assume two cameras have the exact same image sensor, but one has 4 megapixels and the other one has 16 megapixels. Which one do you think will capture a better quality? The 4 megapixel one will have a better quality. I'll explain. When an image sensor captures the image, it has to distribute that data into all the pixels, and lesser pixels actually do better. And honestly, what do we use our photos for? Mostly for uploading them on social media, right? Or sometimes even preserving memories. You do not need 32 or 64 million pixels for those. In fact, like I told you before, the most common camera config, a full HD display with 16:9 ratio, can only show about 2 million pixels at once. So, a camera with more than 2 megapixels is kind of useless when you see like full screen. Even if you have a 4K display, you are not getting 4K quality. You're just getting that resolution. Quality is not equal to resolution. So why are megapixels such a big thing in smartphone or camera industry? Because companies only care about themselves and they profit from it. Megapixels are a huge marketing factor. So they benefit from people's misconception. Hope my video clears some things up for you. Please consider subscribing if you found this video at least a little helpful. Thanks for watching. I appreciate everyone watching this. Have a great day. Bye bye.